The next most important thing is professional skills. Now remember that in technology expertise, we just mentioned like where are we expert in, what are the pro areas we have, but we do have other areas also. Like we have a skill, we have a sub skill, okay, we have something which you're aware about. So all those things can actually put in the resume, okay, you can add those. And there is no, frankly, there is no limit, like what are the things you can add and what are the things you cannot. So it's completely a user defined list, and I recommend you to add maximum. Even you can complete the page, no issues with that. Now here you will start with programming languages. Okay, so what are the languages you are aware about? Okay, so if you think that you don't know any, just go ahead and add XML, JSON, HTML, some basic languages. You can also go for my free HTML course on my YouTube channel. Then you can go for core expertise, like what is your core. Okay, so few of the things which are mentioned here can repeat here in a different flavor. So there you are just saying microservice architecture. Here you can just say Spring Boot, okay, or Python Django, you know, depending on that. Like microservices, now this is niche and you can go deep into it. Like in microservices, what are the things you need? You need Spring Boot, Netflix OS X, payment gateway interfacing, and all those things. If it is QA, then you can actually go like here. There are other things coming like API technology, you know, SOAP UI tool, you know, what I can say, performance testing with SOAP UI tool, you know what is assertions. You can go deep into it. Cool with that. And integration technologies, okay, ActiveMQ, Camel, Kafka, Karaf, all those things. User defined headers, like you can add anything in here. You can just say database tools, you can just say manual testing tool, defect tracking tools, agile development tools, Confluence, this thing, that thing, all those things can go here in a proper header. Okay, I will recommend you maximum of 10 headers here, but again there is no limitation as such. This is again getting scanned by robot, so we really do not worry. And even if there is a user who is reading at it, he gonna scroll through, it's completely fine. Okay, so remember that it's a little bit of eye catching is there, so I added some shading in the table. You can maintain that, but because of eye catching, okay, so we know to highlight something, we know we have to highlight something, we can use this technique of eye catching, something like that. But it's totally up to you whether you want to keep it or not. It's but do not keep it as a dull or simple, because this is somewhere you're gonna spend time. Okay, so especially the reader gonna spend time and your robot gonna spend time. Okay, so add those things here, add maximum tools, add maximum techniques, maximum languages. Make sure that this area is fulfilled, because robot gonna find words. Okay, and I'll tell you how to actually use those words, how robot gonna find out which is your skill. Okay, do you want to know that? Okay, I'll create a dedicated video for that. Cool with this? So this is the skill, this is the stuff you have to fill in right now. Complete this professional skill area. Make sure you have it filled at least with 6 to 7 and maximum up to 10. Okay, so people who are already working, they might actually cross 10. Don't do that. Keep it 10, it's recommended. Cool. So thank you.